So we're going to be making designs for Instagram posts. So if I want to do that, I can just start from here, or start from templates. I can just do that. So I'll go back here, then I'm gonna type Instagram. Okay, so what type of Instagram posts am I making? Okay, I'll go with the square Instagram posts. Then I'm going to say create a blank Instagram post. I'll click on that and it's going to take me to the canvas. Then so this is now so this oops, this is now where you decide what you really want to do. So for me, I want to design an Instagram post for a tutorial. So I can say something like webinar. Okay, so I see all of that, but I want to keep this business related. I can say you know uh yes, something like that. Okay, this is for ladies. I can just keep it. I can narrow it down to probably shoe. Okay, then it's going to give me designs for shoe. Okay, and as you can see, we have some that are free and some that are not free. Some that are um, pro templates. So I'm just going to click on this one. Okay, yeah, I think this is perfect for Timberland. So the only thing I need to do is to just change the website to my website if I have one. www.coachingbythepair.com. Okay, so I'll do now. I can change the phone number to my number. Then I am not promoting this for this particular product, so I can just bring in my product image. I can say Timberland shoe. So this is what I'm selling. Okay. 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 I'll go with this one. That's why. Save as. I'll call it Timberland. Okay. So go back to Instagram. Then I'm gonna bring in the picture that we just download now. Call it Timberland. Okay. All right, so we have the picture, and as you can see, there's a problem because we have background there. So what I'm going to do at this point is to click on edit image. Then I'll be able to remove the white background. Okay, so we have this, and you can see BG remover, which is background remover, is actually not free. So what we are going to do is we're going to head over to this website, which is remove.bg. Then we're going to drag in our image, or of course you can also upload it. Then it's going to do the magic and get rid of the background for us. As you can see, nice and clean. Then we can download it. So we head over to our Canva, delete this. Then we're going to bring in, if I say upload files, it's still gonna be the same name. Yeah. Okay. So as you can see, this is so crazy. Of course, I can take down this. I can take down this and this. Then I can, probably do something to reduce all this. Oops. Okay. So what we can do, we can duplicate this. So basically, to duplicate, you can just click on this plus. You can see duplicate. And so what I want to do is I want to position this at the back of the other leg. So what I can do, I'll right click, then I'll say send backward. I'll do that again, send backward until I get to this point. Send backward, again send backward. We don't want to do anything crazy. Oh, okay, so maybe what we can do it this way. Okay, so we don't want to give 50% discount. You just double click, change it to 20 or 10, and new arrivals. Maybe you need your business name somewhere here, and you can just erase this and new arrivals. Just call it anything. I can say Canva collections. So maybe that is the name of my store. I can reduce the size. Come on. Okay. Say that. Okay. So we are through with our design. That is very, very swift. In few minutes and we are done.